My name is Arindam Devnath. I'm from Tekgence Technologies Institute. So here we are focusing on today's lecture on AWS console overview. So in this lecture, we are going to see the console of AWS. And in this entire course, we are going to look into the networking part of cloud. So if you just look into this console, you can see there are lots of regions. In all those regions, we can deploy our resources. So when I say we are having a lot of region, it means every region has its own set of data centers. We call it as AZ, availability zone. So let's say right now I'm in US East 1, but my right I'm sitting in Mumbai, but all my resources are getting deployed in US East 1. That is not Virginia. So if I upload any sort of resources in US East 1, the latency will be very high. So let me change the region to Mumbai. Right now I just change the region to Mumbai. Now from here, you can see that in Mumbai, I can deploy the resources. So in AWS, the entire console will be like this. From the left, you see the services. So these are all the services that can be used, or we can utilize those services for our business need. That will come under services. But in this course, we are mainly focusing on the networking. Cloud network engineer will be the job role that you will be aiming after completion of this course. So having said that, from here you can have the AWS console, the Cloud Shell console you can take from this. Apart from that, there are many other things like this. As I mentioned, these are all the AWS regions where AWS data centers are there, and this is my account ID. You can see each account has its own unique account ID. This is the account. We show you the account, what the configuration has been done from the billing management console, and what are the costs that I have incurred, and all those things you're gonna find out. See, right now these are the few regions which are disabled and the rest are enabled. Why these regions are disabled, we are going to see in our further lectures. Now if I show you my billing dashboard, you'll find out like how much the cost has been incurred and everything. So this is the basic discussion that we are having here. So if you see right now I'm getting IAM error for the same, but I will show you how to set this up to check the costing part and everything. So if I just go back to the services dashboard, I will show you. Okay, so this is the console from where you can navigate to all the services. You just need to type in the name of the service. Let's say I want a service of VPN. So if I just type VPN, you can see this will come under VPC. Let me show you the same. You can see that this is the VPN connection. Now let's say if I want direct connect, I can simply type direct connect and I can go to the service. So this is the way you can type names of any services and you can just go through the basic documentation and overview of the service. Okay, I hope you are clear with the console overview for this session. See you in the later part. Thank you for joining.